In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter in your Shopify footer page. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you manage everything related to your online store. From this panel, click on Online Store. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed. Next to that theme, click on the option that allows you to edit it, usually called Customize or Edit Theme. This will open the online store editor, where you can visually edit sections of your site. When the editor loads, you'll see a preview of your store in the main area and a list of sections on the left-hand panel. Scroll down through that list until you find the section labeled Footer. The footer is the area at the bottom of every page, and it's a great place for a newsletter sign-up because it's visible across your site without being too intrusive. Click on the Footer section to open its settings and content. Inside the footer settings, look for a button or link that says Add Section. Go ahead and click that. A list of available section types will appear. From this list, choose Email Signup. This is the section that will allow customers to enter their email addresses and subscribe to your newsletter. Once the Email Signup section has been added to your footer, click on it to open its specific settings. Here, you can customize how it looks and feels so that it matches your brand. You'll typically see options for the color scheme, which controls the background and text colors, as well as controls for top and bottom padding. Adjusting the padding will add more or less space around the newsletter block, helping it breathe visually. You may also see options for scroll effects or a field to add custom CSS if you're comfortable with more advanced styling. Next, customize the text so it speaks directly to your audience. Click on the heading of the email sign-up section to change it. You might want to use something simple and clear like subscribe to our newsletter or stay updated with our latest offers. After that, click on the subheading to edit it as well. This is a good place to explain what subscribers can expect, such as updates, special discounts, or new product launches. Once you're happy with the design and the wording of your newsletter section, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the editor. This will publish your changes so the newsletter sign-up appears in your store's footer for your visitors to use.